The next thing we want to do is we're going to work on finding solutions when you're given an x or y in an ordered pair. Now, this is a critical skill. So for right now, we've started it with just finding one point. In the next section, when we're doing t-charts and graphing lines, we're going to do it with more than one point. So for right now, all we want to do, and you saw a little bit of this on the previous one, is hey, we would need to substitute and solve because we have an equation, in this case y equals 3x minus 4, where you're given the x value and we need to determine the y value. You're given one of them, what's the other one to make it a good solution? All right, and yes, for the very first one I threw a fraction in there. A lot of times people say, oh, fraction! They're not that bad. Now, to do this, we're just going to substitute and solve, as I said earlier. So y equals 3x minus 4. So y equals 3 times 10 thirds minus 4. Not very pretty there, but that's okay. Now, when we are multiplying fractions, you got to have a top and a bottom, numerators and denominators. So we'll just put the 3 over 1. And beautifully, the 3's end up canceling, don't they? The 3's turn into 1's. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1. Anything over 1 is a whole number. 10 minus 4 is 6. So let me add in my y equals here. Y equals 6. What does that mean? That means that the point 10 thirds 6 is a solution for y equals 3x minus 4. A second one to do. In this one here, I left the x blank. We've got y having a value of 6. So again, I'm going to substitute in 6 equals 2x plus 20. Now, got to do a little bit more with equations on this one. I've got to get rid of plus 20 with minus 20, so I'll do that to both sides. Negative 14 equals 2x. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X ends up equaling negative 7. So that means that negative 7, 6 is a solution. For the final one, I've got 2x plus 3y equals 18, and I've got x equal to 3. So when I substitute that in, I'm going to have 2 times 3 plus 3y equals 18. What is 2 times 3? It's 6. So I'm going to go minus 6 to both sides. That leaves me with 3y equals 12. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Y is equal to 4. So 4 is the missing part of that ordered pair to make it a solution. When you're going through and you're finding solutions, we're going to use this a lot for the remainder of graphing. Good luck.